Question 3. Surface area of a hot air balloon filled with hot air is given by this function, where r is the radius. The radius of the balloon is increasing as the function of time. So using this formula. Okay. So we can figure out the radius if we have the amount of time. So let's say if you have, after 3 seconds, you put 3 inside the t, you will get the radius. And with the radius, we can find the surface area. So if you know radius is, let's say 5, you put in 5 here, we can find the area. Okay. A. State the surface area of balloon as a function of time. So this surface area formula we have is a function of radius. So if we know the radius, we sub in the radius, we can find. But now they want A in terms of t. So we need to switch this r with t. Okay, the best part is we know r in terms of t. So what we have to do is, you just have to put the r into this r. So you are finding the function of a r t. So if a r is 4 pi r square, a r t will be 4 pi r t square. So 4 pi r t square. Now we know r t is this, so we can sub this into here. So 4 pi 2 over 3 t cube square. Then we expand. 2 over 3 cube is 4 over 9. T cube square will be t power 6. So it will be 16 over 9 pi t power 6. Okay. This one we just expand now. 4 times this, we get 16 over 9. Done. Okay, next. B. Find the surface area of balloon after 2 seconds. Okay. So now we have the area in terms of t. So we just sub the t with 2, we'll be able to find the area. So we are finding AR 2 seconds. So 16 over 9 pi 2 power 6. 16 over 9 pi times 2 power 6. So get 2 power 6. So this answer we can write it as, you can write it as fractions. 1024 over 9 pi. You want to write it as improper fraction also can, proper fraction also can, mixed numbers also can, or decimal also can. That's it.